All right, so today we're change out this outdoor receptacle. As you can possibly see if I can. It's not a GFCI, which is against NEC code. So we're just going to change this out to a GFCI receptacle. Shit, it didn't work out how I wanted it to. I do not have power turned off, so I'll be doing all this hot. If I can't get you around here for a better angle of this, you should be able to see that a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's not a GFCI. And like I said, I don't have the power off to it. Show you, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna do it hot. Yeah, we still got power. Of course, people who tell you the neutral won't shock you. The people who tell you that are idiots. It'll shock the piss out of you. Because that neutral has got the same current carrying capabilities as the hot wire. So this is going to be quite eventful because this plug is going out to my shop as well. It's just passing power right here, going out to my shop. I'm gonna swap screwdrivers in just a minute and try to do something different. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to do this. That's pretty large gauge wire. Shit. I may have to make a pigtail and pull it off. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, it's another thing that I hate. Is I'd run into on these houses, doing things on any kind of older home. There's no extra wire in the freaking box. And this is ridiculous how they did this too, because the wire is so large. The wire is so large that they had to cut some off, get it up under the lugs of the plug there. So this is pretty stupid. Anywho, I'm gonna see what I can do with it. I'm gonna swap screwdrivers here. Hot screwdriver. Say, not everybody's gonna have a hot screwdriver, but fuck yeah. This plug's broken actually, so that's great. I may end up having to try to find the breaker. This is a metal box, and there's really not a whole lot of slack here to even work with this. So I'm probably gonna have to find the breaker. Ordinarily I would just do this hot. Let me try to find the breaker, and we'll pick it up with part 2.